So I'm going to try and cut out this Lexan window for the Drake T4X because I broke the original one by stepping on it and I broke off that part. So I traced around this thing and I'm going to try and make a new one from Lexan here. Just wondering if I can cut this decently and do it accurately. Let's give it a try. I almost want to turn some more light on here. Well, that didn't work too well, did it? I guess I didn't have that very tight. Let's try it again. Things kind of wobbly, isn't it? So I gotta center this damn thing. Jeez. This is some Amazon Chinese junk stuff, right? So you'd think that would self-center, but it doesn't. Oh well, tighten it up, give it a try. Jeez, okay. How was I doing? I was doing all right. Oh, this is not going to be easy. Well, it hasn't botched it entirely yet, but it's hard to control it. It digs in. I think I would do better with a hacksaw. I think this is a fail.